So I believe point Morgan and his co-conspirators, of course, then hatched a plan to kill two birds with one stone. Solve the White Star financial problems and remove opposition to the Federal Reserve in one simple move. And we'll come on to that element of the story shortly about the Federal Reserve. So switching the ships was deemed to be the answer to the problem, because Titanic was almost completed at this point. She wasn't quite completed, but it involved patching up the wrecked Olympic as best they could, bracing the twisted keel with metal struts. And just as an aside, when Robert Ballard allegedly discovered the Titanic wreck site, he actually didn't, but that's another story for another day. In 1985, he was very puzzled to find these struts in place, which of course didn't appear on the original construction blueprints.